Sure is nice down there, huh? Okay, so here we go, rolling dips. What are we going to talk about this time? We're going to talk about a dip placement strategies, right? So you see, here I am walking down the road, right? There's a rolling dip somebody put there. I have to say that's not mine, and it's not my preferable style of rolling dip, but there it is, right? So now you saw from where I was just sitting there how close we are to the creek right here, right? I mean, it is, although it's probably 70 feet, down off the road here, down to the creek. The road is, for all intents and purposes, right hanging over the creek, right? So, I guess theoretically, any sediment we discharge over this dip right here, has a good chance of going to the creek. But let's take a look here at what's some little nuances to this, right? And this dip is actually placed in as good a spot as you can go, which sometimes you're just stuck with. Because look down here. Now up here, where the pickup truck is right there, you can see that going straight off the thing, in the creek's right sitting there at the base of the slope. But down here, can you see this? There's a little itty bitty terrace right there, got some woody vegetation on it right there. It's a little flat spot. So when this dip discharges, right here, and it heads down the hillside, it has a flat spot that's vegetated to filter out and get onto. So sometimes when you're on these roads that are right next to the creek, you can find these little flat terraces, and those can often be good spots to place your rolling dips because it really can reduce the amount of sediment delivery that gets to the creek. Because look at that beautiful creek right there running crystal clear. We don't want to mess that up, do we? Okay, there you go. Boom.